So tell me what you're doing, Denora.
Now I cut it.
You're cutting passion fruit?
Yes, I cut my passion fruit.
You're preparing passion fruit to make juice, right?
Yes.
First you cut it in half.
Mm-hmm.
You let them get pretty dark on the cabinet. And this is what they look like inside. They're mostly gooey seeds. And they have a very fragrant smell.
Mostly blender seeds.
Right. What she's going to do is scrape them all out of the shell and put it in the blender, blend it, and then strain it. And then we have to add a little honey because it's pretty sour.
Much better, I think. Let me see, got a good one. This one is. Yeah. Okay.
Just scrape it all out, all the way, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
There is another one if you want to see.
Now, some people eat that whole thing on ice cream, right? You just dump it out and eat it. The
Yes.
seeds and all,
Mm-hmm.
right? Did you eat passion fruit growing up in El Salvador?
Yes, it is.
You did? Is this the way you used it?
Yes.
And did your mother make it first and then you?
Yes. In my country, we have a same one, this one, but we have another kind. It's really good.
But you said it was sweeter.
It's so sweet.
So you don't have to add sugar or...
No, nothing. Just we make a juice.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Same way?
Yes.
You didn't have a blender growing up, so how did you make the juice? Did you take the seeds out?
No, like this.
Uh-huh.
We don't blend it. We was make it like this in the glass of water.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
with the seeds.
Yes, with the seeds.
And you drank the seeds.
Yes.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Denora is working on the passion fruit juice. And the idea is you have to add a little bit of sugar. In this case, I'm using the brown coconut, which has a lower glycemic index. The brown coconut sugar. And she's going to blend that. And what happens is these big fat green seeds just basically break down to be little specks like ground pepper. Is that enough?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And now you're going to strain it. It actually does not break down the seeds that much. You have to strain out the larger pieces of seeds, and this is what it looks like underneath.
Here, put a little bit of water. You want to try?
Yes. I am going to have to test this. Check it out. Oh,
It's okay?
it's okay. It's very good. Oh. Ooh. Now
delicious.
I first heard about growing passion fruit when I was at Jack's house, or not just your house. Did you have it growing at that at Epic Yard Farm?
You have it?
1.0, she had she had a lot of passion fruit growing. And we had it there. We also had it at everywhere we went. We had it.
Yeah, it grows really well in the hot weather.
Yeah, and so I came home and I ordered 2 plants, and I have a lot of passion fruit. I have more. She doesn't have any right now, so she's going to go home with a jar of this stuff. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.